everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple different methods for working into a chain piece. Working in a chain piece can be a bit tricky, but I hope this video helps you. First, I'll be showing how to crochet into both loops and leaving the back bump. So after you've made the chain stitches, you'll see a V being created when the chain is facing towards you. If you were to flip that chain over, you're going to see a series of back bumps, and those are what we are going to call the bumps. And that's what we're going to be working into. When the pattern states to crochet in both loops, that's going to be referencing the V. You'll insert your hook under both loops of that V. So I'm just going to insert my hook under that first loop. Then I'm going to grab the second loop. So this is going to be considered the front loop and then the back loop of the chain piece. So you can see I now have 3 loops on my hook. And then if you were to flip this over, you'll see the back bump just hanging out there. All right, then I'm going to yarn over, pull through both loops, and I should have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both to finish the single crochet. And you can see the back bump is now right here. So let's do that again. Insert your hook under both loops of the V, and sometimes you just have to pull that back loop to get it onto the hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through to complete the stitch. So insert under both loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Once you crochet along the chain in both loops, your piece is going to look like it has ridges along the bottom. Those ridges are what we call the back bumps. And then you have your series of V's on the top, and those are your stitches. Now I'm going to show you how to crochet in the back bumps only. This is sometimes referred to as working in the third loop. To work in the back bump only, you're going to turn your piece over towards the right so you can see the bumps along the back. Then you're going to insert your hook into one of the bumps, and you're going to leave both loops from the front, which is the V. So if I was to turn this over, you'll be able to see both loops have been left untouched. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through the bump. Then I'm going to yarn over again to complete the single crochet. So let's do that again. You're going to insert your hook into the bump, and this can be tricky. Then you're just going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through to complete the stitch. Now I'm going to continue working across. Once you've crocheted across the chain piece in the bumps only, you'll notice a series of V stitches along the top as well as along the bottom. The ones along the bottom are actually the both loops that we left untouched while we were crocheting, and the ones on top are from the stitches that we just created. Both ways of working into the chain give different results. As you can see, this one we left the back bumps untouched and we have the ridges along the bottom. And on this one, we crocheted into those back bumps, and now we have both V's on top and bottom. Depending on the look you're trying to achieve, one might be a better option over the other. And that's how you crochet into both loops or just the back bumps of a chain. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!